Welcome to an Amazon Connect powered demo of a virtual AI agent created by AWS and Intelligent Visibility for North Carolina A&T State University. This call could be recorded. I'm Aggie, your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm a parent of the new student, and I have just a couple of questions.
Thank you for calling North Carolina A&T State University. I'm Aggie, your virtual assistant. I'm happy to help answer your questions about A&T. What can I help you with today?
So I was wondering, do you guys offer any tutors for students if they need help?
Great question. Yes, NCA&T does offer tutoring and academic support services to help students succeed.
What about
What
about advising? I'm sure there's advisors.
Yes, absolutely. NCA&T has academic advisors who work with students to help them succeed. Each college has professional academic advisors, and faculty advisors are also available to guide students through their academic journey, help them understand degree requirements, and plan their course schedules. Your student will be assigned an advisor when they arrive on campus, and they can connect with them throughout their time here. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, what about any sort of like a medical issues, or like is there any medical clinic on campus?
Yes, we do. NCA&T has the A.V. Blount Jr. Student Health Center on campus, which provides medical services and healthcare support to our students. The health center can help with a variety of health-related needs. Your student can visit the health center if they have any medical concerns or questions during their time here. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I wanted to also check on the status of the financial aid that we have applied for.
That's something our financial aid team will need to look up in your student's account to give you the most accurate information. Before I transfer you over to them, may I have your name?
My name is Robert Mishor, M-I-S-I-O-R.
Thank you, Robert. Let me get your information over to our financial aid team so you don't have to repeat yourself. All set, Robert. I'm connecting you with our financial aid team now. One moment, please. The time in queue is less than 5 minutes. If you would like to request a callback while maintaining your place in queue, press 2.
Aegis CXQ.
So the system was correctly able to present information gathered from the AI agent to the human agent, and also route the call to the appropriate department. Thank you for your help. Bye.
Welcome to an Amazon Connect powered demo of a virtual AI agent created by AWS and Intelligent Visibility for North Carolina A&T State University. This call could be recorded. I'm Aggie, your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm a new student, and I wanted to find out if freshmen have to live on campus, are required to live on campus.
Let me look up our housing requirements for freshmen. Let me search for more specific information about freshman housing requirements. Based on what I found, the information I have shows that freshmen living on campus cannot bring a car their first year, which suggests that on-campus housing is available for freshmen.
But is it required? Do I have to live on campus?
That's a great question, and I want to make sure you get the accurate answer. Let me connect you with our student services team who handles housing policies and can tell you exactly what the requirements are for freshmen. May I have your name?
My name is Robert Mishor, M-I-S-I-O-R.
Thank you, Robert. Let me get your information over to our student services team so they can answer your housing question right away. All set, Robert. I'm connecting you with our student services team now. They'll be able to give you the full details on freshman housing requirements. One moment, please. The time in queue is less than 5 minutes. If you would like to request a callback while maintaining your place in queue, press 2.
Aegis CXQ.
So in this demo, we can see the name of the caller, of the student, properly routed call, and then the background information that took place, the conversation.
Thank you for contacting North Carolina Central University Eagle Technical Assistance Center. This call may be recorded for quality assurance. I'm Eagle Tech, your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Hey, yeah, I was trying to get connected to the wireless network and I'm having some problems. Can you help me with that?
Hi there, I'm Eagle Tech at the NCCU Help Desk, and I can definitely help you with Wi-Fi. Before we get started, I want to let you know that we're currently aware of an issue affecting Wi-Fi connectivity in most of the student dorms, and our team is working on it. Are you calling from one of the dorms, or are you trying to connect from somewhere else on campus?
Okay. I was in the dorm, but I moved because I was having issues. I moved over to the student union and I'm trying to get connected here.
Good, thanks for letting me know. Let me pull up the steps for connecting to our campus Wi-Fi from the student union, and we'll get you sorted out. Great, let's get you connected. First, open your Wi-Fi settings and look for the network called Eagle Soar in the list of available networks. Can you find that and select it?
Yeah, I see that one and I'm selecting now.
Perfect. Now, when you're prompted for your credentials, enter your NCCU username and password. You can use just your username, like jsmith123, or if that doesn't work, try entering it as AD / your username. Let me know what happens after you enter those.
Okay. Yeah, so I've tried that, but it's not working.
Okay, no problem. When you say it's not working, what exactly is happening? Is it saying your password is wrong, or are you getting a different error message?
Yeah, it actually says my password is invalid and I have problems with that, I think.
Got it. Let me help you reset your NCCU password, which often clears up Wi-Fi login issues. Can you open a web browser and go to Eagle Apps at eagleapps.ncu.edu? Once you're there, you should be able to reset your
Yeah,
password from your
yeah.
account.
So I can't do that since I can't connect to the wireless. I can't go to the password reset page.
That makes sense. You're in a bit of a catch-22. Here's what I'd suggest. Can you use a wired Ethernet connection if one is available at the student union? Or borrow a device that's already connected to Wi-Fi so you can access the password reset page. Once you
There's
reset your
there's nobody around. Can I talk to somebody that might be able to help me?
Absolutely. I can connect you with a specialist who can help you reset your password and get you back online. Let me get a few details first. May I have your name?
Yeah, it's Brian Donadio.
Thank you. Just to make sure I have it right, that's Brian Donadio, Donadillo, is that correct? And if you have your NCCU banner ID handy, that would help the specialist pull up your account faster.
Yeah, the last name, I think you got it off there. It's spelled Donadio, and my banner ID is 336412.
Perfect. Thank you, Brian. Let me save your information and connect you with a specialist who can help you reset your password and get you connected to Wi-Fi. I'm having trouble saving your information right now, but let me connect you with a help desk specialist who can assist you. One moment, please. Help desk.
All right, so this side, this shows what an agent will see when they are presented the call. And you can see that the name, it did pick it up correctly in with the right spelling after I corrected it, and also shows the banner ID. And then it has a brief summary of what the AI agent walked the user through in this case.
Thank you for contacting North Carolina Central University Eagle Technical Assistance Center. This call may be recorded for quality assurance. I'm Eagle Tech, your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I was here in a classroom, and I'm trying to figure out how to use this digital whiteboard in front of me. I have I've got meeting information, and I'm trying to join that meeting. So what would be the best way to do that on the whiteboard, the smart whiteboard? Is that, should I dial in with a phone number, or is there some other way to do that that would be better?
Let me look up the best way to join a meeting from your classroom's smart whiteboard system. Based on what I found, if your classroom has a Webex board, you can join a meeting directly from the board itself. That's better than dialing in by phone. Let me search for the specific steps to join a meeting on your classroom system. Good news, if your classroom has a Webex board, you can join the meeting directly from the board itself, which is much better than dialing in. From the home screen on the board, look for a call or meeting option to enter your meeting information. Do you see a button or option on the board's home screen that says something like call or join meeting?
Yeah, I do. I see both. Which one should I do?
Tap join meeting. That's the right one for joining a meeting with the information you have. Go ahead and try that, and let me know what you see next.
Okay, now I see something about entering the meeting information, which I do have a meeting number, so I'm gonna punch that in now.
Perfect. Go ahead and enter that meeting number. Let me know if it connects you to the meeting or if you run into any issues.
All right. It looks like, yeah, we're connected and everything. Are there any other tips that I should know on how to use the board during the meeting, or?
Great. I'm glad you're connected. Based on our help materials, the WebEx board lets you use the pen or your finger to draw or write on the whiteboard during the meeting. You can also share content if you need to. Just look for a share option on the board. Is there anything specific you're trying to do with the board during this meeting?
Mostly video calling, which is working out of the box here. It looks like straight out of the gate. I might want to do some whiteboarding though.
Excellent. For whiteboarding during your meeting, just tap the whiteboard button on the board, and then you can use the pen or your finger to draw or write. You can create as many pages as you need. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I think I'm all set. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling the Eagle Technical Assistance Center. Have a great meeting and Eagle Pride.